Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Google Sheets using the official Tables feature to instantly organize, format, and filter your data. First, convert your data range. In the 2026 version of Google Sheets, you can transform a messy range of data into a smart, functional table with just 2 clicks. Click anywhere inside your dataset or highlight the specific range you want to convert. Go to the top menu and select Format, then click Convert to Table. Google Sheets will automatically detect your headers and apply a professional alternating colors theme. You'll also notice that filter arrows are instantly added to every column header, allowing you to sort your data by color, condition, or value immediately. Next, customize table styles and names. Once your table is active, a new Table menu appears at the top to give you full control over the look and feel. Click inside the table to reveal the Table menu in the toolbar. From here, you can change the color theme or toggle Total Row on and off. Give your table a specific name in the Table Settings pane, like Monthly Sales. This makes it much easier to reference this specific dataset later when you're building formulas or charts in other parts of your spreadsheet. Lastly, add new data and use Smart Fill. Tables in Google Sheets are dynamic, meaning they grow and adapt as you add more information. Simply start typing in the empty row directly below your table. The table will automatically expand to include the new row, carrying down all the formatting and any formulas you've used. If you have a column for profit, the table will automatically calculate the result for the new row without you having to drag any formulas down manually. And that's pretty much it. To create a table in 2026, go to Format, Convert to Table to instantly apply filters and styles. Use the Table menu to customize your theme and add a total row, and simply type below the last entry to let the table automatically expand and keep your formulas perfectly synced. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.